Hi, and good day once again. It's nice to be back, teaching you math lessons. Today, just bear with me as I present to you informative concepts about circles. We also have exercises for you to practice and test your knowledge about the topic. Okay, let's start. What can you see about the pictures? Is it not that they have one thing in common? As you can see, they're all circles. That's what we are going to learn today and the basic terminologies or parts of a circle. What comes into our mind when we hear about circles? What is it? It is a closed curve in a plane, or a circle can be drawn with the help of a circular object. Circle divides the plane into three parts that we need to know. First is the circle. Second, inside the circle known as its interior. And third, outside the circle known as its exterior. If a circle is divided into two, we call it the semicircle. Or a semicircle is the half of a circle which has 180 degrees angle measurement. In geometry, a circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant at a given distance from a given point. The given point P is called the center of the circle, and the given distance is called the radius of the circle. We are going to learn the parts of a circle. We have radius, diameter, chord, central angle, tangent, secant, sector, segment, and arc. So you have to know the differences of these basic terminologies of the parts of a circle. So let's start with the radius. A radius is a straight line from the center to the circumference of a circle or a sphere. This line will start from the center to any point of the circumference. The radius that you can see is the line diameter. A diameter is a line segment that connects 2 points on the circle and goes through the center of the circle. Or we say this is the longest chord. The line that you can see here is the line AB. Line AB because it touches the center of the circle. Chord. A chord of a circle is the line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. The chord in this picture is line CD. Central angle. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. Angle APB is the central angle in this figure. Tangent. A tangent is a straight line or plane that touches a curved surface. Line AB is a tangent line. As what we have said, tangent AB touches a point on the circle. Point of tangency. It is a line that intersects the circle at exactly one point on the circle. The point of tangency at tangent AB is point C. Secant. A secant is a straight line that cuts a curve in two or more parts. The secant in this picture is the line CD. Remember, a secant line is a line that is extended outside the circle. Sector. A sector is a region contained by two radii and an arc. The sector is called a minor sector. Remember a slide? If we have a minor sector, we also have the major sector. What's the difference of the two? A minor sector is a part wherein it only has less than 180 degrees, while a major sector has more than 180 degrees. Segment. A segment is a region bounded by a chord and a corresponding arc. This picture shows a minor segment. And again, if we have a minor segment, we also have the major segment. Arc. What is this? An arc is a part of a circle connecting two points of the circle. We have the minor arc AB and the major arc AB. As we have said a while ago, minor arc is less than 180 degrees and a major arc that is more than 180 degrees. This minor arc and this major arc is a part of the circumference. This picture of the rainbow is an example of an arc. Let's have a recap of what we have learned about the parts of a circle. We have the radius, the sector, segment, arc, tangent, chord, circumference, and diameter. Now, what are the following lines, arcs, angle, and parts? What are they called? This line CD, line AB, and line PQ, and the arcs and angles in this picture. Let's reveal the answers. We have chord CD, diameter AB, center P, radius PQ, arc AQ. We have the sector, and we call this the central angle APQ. Let's match the words to the definitions. Sector, a section of a circle which looks like a slice of pizza. Segment, a section of the circle formed with an arc and a chord. Chord, a straight line connecting two points on the edge of a circle. Radius, the distance from the center of a circle to the edge. Arc, a section of the curved surface of a circle. Tangent, a line which just touches a circle at one point. Diameter, the distance from one side of a circle to the other through the center. Circumference, the length around the outside of a circle. Let's move on. The outside of the circle is called the circumference, and a circumference is the distance around the circle. How about an area? The area of a circle is the number of the square units inside that circle. Let's get to know more about circumference and area. Let's differentiate circumference and area. What are the formulas of these two words? Circumference is C equals pi times d, while an area is pi times r squared. What are the difference of this? How are we going to solve it? Let's find it out. We should know first what is a pi, or it is spelled as pi. What is the equivalent? It is 3.14159 to represent a number, or if you're going to solve the formula. In circumference equals pi times d, d is diameter, or it is 2 times r, or 2 times the radius, while the area r square means you are going to multiply radius times radius. Let's try this exercise. Find the circumference of the pizza if it has a radius of 7 centimeters. We know the formula is C equals pi times D, and D is 2 times R, or 2 times the radius. C equals 3.14 times 14 centimeters. And the answer is 43.96 centimeters. How about solving the area? Find the area of the pizza if it has a radius of 7 centimeters. The formula A equals pi times radius square. A equals 3.14 times 7 centimeters square, and A is equals to 153.86 centimeters square. Alright, that's the difference of a circumference and an area. I hope that you can solve simple problems regarding that formula. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you have learned something once again about circles. Just keep on learning. Until here, bye-bye!